Hi, this is Dale Corpus from eXp Realty. Have you ever been curious about the home inspection process? Whether you're looking to buy or sell, or even if you're not in that process yet, home maintenance and home care are really important when it does come time for that home inspection. So I pulled together a guide for you that you could use as a resource by clicking on the button below to download it. And what it does is it goes through some key elements that you should really pay attention to, whether you're buying or selling. And even if you're not at that stage yet, just understand that general home maintenance is so important so that when it does come time for that home inspection, you're ready. So take a look at that guide and remember that I'm here to help you and educate you in anything that's related to your home. So if you need a resource or someone to take care of that crack or that repair, reach out to me and let me know. I would love to be that resource. So connect with me sometime, and don't forget to take advantage of some of this awesome weather as we jump into the summer. Talk to you later.